cells today. So I hope that you can carry the vlog on your shoulders.
I'm on it. You don't. Hola, vlog.
Hello.
We are birding today, if you didn't know that already. My eyebrows need to be brushed up. And we are birding to... What the heck? This was a terrible intro.
No, it's perfect. Careful.
We're birding today. Both of us need wins in life.
Yeah.
And last birding trip was a dud.
Flop.
So we are going to go to Hawrelak Park, which we went there this year, and that's where we saw a hooded merganser.
It was really good last time we went there.
Yeah. And so we're gonna go back there, and then after, depending on how we feel, we're gonna go to our favorite place ever, that's Hermie Park. Hermie Park. So we're en route right now. Allie has since recovered from her unwellness. She said she was just hungry. So that's great.
It's crazy what a few bites of food can do for a girl.
One turkey sandwich.
Here's my sandwich.
Phew.
Oh.
What the hell?
Turkey.
Delicious.
I decided to step out of my comfort zone today. Looks like I'm in the box too.
And Allie to go.
It's got guacamole, lettuce, turkey, and a pepper sauce on a cheese bagel.
Delicious.
Mmm.
In recent developments, me and Allie have made a really big, fun decision where we are going to go on the what are they called? Paddle boats?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the official name for them?
Government name.
Yeah, government ID name. We're gonna go on the paddle boat so we can get up close and personal to the bearbs. The bearbs.
Yeah,
We'll probably have to wear life jackets, right?
maybe.
Hopefully I don't sink to the bottom.
You'll be fine. I'll save you.
Thank you. So my hair is falling out. Awesome. So awesome.
Did we already tell the vlog that Knox posted our thing?
No.
Guys, guess what?
Guys, by the way, guess what? Something really, really exciting. Today's just a good day, I guess. Right? Ellie, share the news. Tell them what happened.
I was just scrolling on my phone playing my favorite game, Sand Loop, and I get a notification and it says Knox commented on your post, and I was like, is this like the real Knox or is it like a fake Knox? Yeah. And so then I went and looked at our post, and it was the real one. They commented twice.
Yeah.
And go.
And they shared our post on their story.
Yeah.
Yay!
So basically, we're famous now.
They commented on the post with like heart eyes, I think, or something, and then they commented again and said it was like aced it or something.
Yeah.
So I commented back.
Oh, did you?
I said, eek, thank you, with like 10 exclamation points. So, anyway.
Yeah.
But that's really exciting. So,
we're like on our way to becoming brand ambassadors.
We're one step closer to being famous.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Anyway, okay, well, we'll keep you updated.
We just ran 5 paddleboards.
He's getting our boat ready.
With the binoculars, you look so cute. It's a little big.
perfect.
Like,
Our Prindle has some debris on it, but we did it. Imagine we go right through the fountain.
let's do it. There's a duck in there.
There's more than one. There's a whole bunch. Go, 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 go.
That's something. Looks like it has an eyelid.
So cute.
I'm surprised we're allowed to just do this.
Yeah.
Guys, we found a dead bird. Do you have anything to say?
Rest in peace. I want to kind of get closer to it.
Let's do it.
Wait, left is, or forward is left?
Yeah.
Back? No, back is. No. It's like literally like sprawled out. Like, why do we keep finding dead things? Poor thing.
It's the circle of life.
Yeah. Rest in peace. Or when life ends, another begins.
Where? Grab.
My hand on the Pringles.
Not the print.
Actually, honestly, not as bad as I thought.
It doesn't really look that bad.
Thank God. It feels pretty bad. This is a test. Oh God. Can you feel it? Me too. Can you? That's actually really kind of nice.
Yeah, I really like it. It's a rainbow.
Should we back it up?
Yeah. I feel like my feet don't fit.
I know we did it.
Oh, baby. Oh, here
Oh,
it comes.
we really did it.
At least the sun is hot. I'll dry out pretty fast.
Well, post paddleboard, both a little soaked, just a little bit, but that was so fun.
Yeah, that was, I would have paid 10 times more to do that.
What was your favorite part?
I think the little moment of time where we drove past the dead bird and then there were the two widgeons that were really close to us.
That was awesome.
Actually, I have to pee.
Oh.
I don't know how to vlog. Okay, there we go.
Got it? Hola vlog. Okay, wait, I'll hold it. Hold it.
I would love to see the angle on that.
Just grabs it out of your hand. Hello, vlog. We
Got a treat.
got a very sweet treat. We got, what's her name? Bubbles?
I don't know.
It's Bubbles. I need to throw this out. Anyway, and the purchase of these are going to some kind of mental health. Sorry. Mental health association.
Yeah, so basically we're doing a good deed by eating ice cream.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Did you try yours yet?
I touched my tongue to it, but I wanted to wait. So
Cheers.
cheers. That's good.
It is good. I think it's not what I was expecting.
What were you expecting?
I have no idea.
It tastes like a popsicle.
It's almost like not as sweet as I thought.
Hmm.
You know?
Yeah. It's like lemon.
Her hair anyway. We'll see what happens.
Also, we saw that nest earlier. Wait, did you vlog it?
No.
And then we got absolutely obliterated by mosquitoes.
Mm-hmm. That's a big ass nest.
Mm-hmm.
Some waxwings in the trees.
Well,
We've done it again.
we saw the birds and the girls birded
Yeah, we
with
sure
the
did.
birds.
We also sent a risky text to Knox asking if, well, basically just said that we love them and if they ever wanna, yeah, I don't know. What do influencers do? Just like collaborations or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
or whatever. Anyway, but we're home now. We're both sweaty, we're both gross, we're both tired, we're both dehydrated.
Oh, that's good. That's a good one. I'm sweaty too. My
Yeah.
shirt's really smelly.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I just washed this yesterday. Time to wash it again.
Oh no.
Anyway, thanks for coming along with us.
Hope you enjoyed our up close bird boat
Mhm.
adventures.
I'm really happy we did that.
Me too.
That was really fun.
Yeah. That was a great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do again.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
You want to close it?
No, it's okay. Anyway, thank you all for coming with us, and we'll see you next time, whenever that might be.
See you soon.
Lots of love.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.